Chapter number 4, Nutrition in Living Organism. In that next point, Nutrition in Animals. These concepts refer to the body needs for nutrition, mode of injections, food, and its uses in the body. Which are the various nutrients in food? What for what purposes are the nutrients used? See, there are six main nutrients in our food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. And for the minerals are used for the various variety of purposes, such as obtaining energy, growth of body, to carry out day-to-day function of the body, and to fight against diseases. For these purposes, nutrients are used. Nutrients necessary for various activities of the body are obtained from the food. Means from the food we get energy, we get nutrients for doing various activities. They are supplied to the various parts of the body through blood. The blood that we consume, the food that we consume does not mix with the blood as it is. Means whatever food we eat, that directly not mixed with the blood. That food we consume does not mixed with the blood as it is. It needs to convert into soluble forms that can easily mixed with the blood. Means whatever food we eat, that food is converted into soluble forms, and then these soluble forms are mixed in a blood. Nutrients in animals involves various steps from injection to ejection. Means from eating to throwing out food, there are many steps. Now see here, steps in nutrients are given. There are 5 steps. First, injections, means eating food. Food is taken into the body. Second, digestion. Whatever food we eat, that digested. Conversion of food into small soluble forms. Next, absorption. Transfer of soluble food into the blood. Fourth, assimilation. Utilize the absorbed food by cell and tissue for energy production, growth, and repair. And last, ejection, means throwing out. Removal of waste products of undigested food from a body. Next, type of nutrients in animals. Holozoic nutrients. How does injection occurs in unicellular animals like amoeba? All of you know amoeba is a unicellular animals, and what uh, and how amoeba injects food. It is given below. See, amoeba does not have organs like hand and mouth. Amoeba is a unicellular animal and he does not have organs like hand and mouth. It is a unicellular animal. It can take in food through any part of the surface of its unicellular body. It surrounds the it surrounds the food particles from all sides to take into the cell. After that, it digests the food with the help of different enzymes. Means in amoeba, different enzymes are present in their body. With the help of that enzymes, amoeba digests their food. Undigested food is left behind. The amoeba moves further with the help of pseudopodia. In unicellular animals like amoeba, Iglia, paramecium, etc. All the steps of nutrition occurs with their unicellular body. Means amoeba, paramecium, euglia, all these are unicellular animals, and in these animals the the food eating process is same. Now see here, this is amoeba unicellular animal, and see this red is a food particle. Now slowly that amoeba, that food particle is taking inside, and after in next step that food particle is get slowly inside, and see in last this is red particles is going in their body. Insects have mouth parts of injection of food. All of you know insects have mouth, they are eating with a mouth. For example, insects like the cockroaches and grasshoppers with nibble have jaw-like mouth parts. Butterflies suck food with a tube-like probes. Means butterfly sucks food with a tube-like probes. Mosquito and bird bags use a needle-like mouth part to pisces and a tube-like mouth part to suck the blood or other fluid. Means some insects have a tube-like structure for eating, tube-like, or mosquitoes, bed bugs have a needle-like mouth. With the help of needle-like mouth, mosquito, bed bugs suck the blood of other animals.